How to fix Telegram code SMS problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can easily fix your Telegram code's SMS problems. Let's just get started. So if you guys didn't know, you need to have your phone number entered to log into your Telegram, and you'll get a verification code on your number. You are going to have to verify your code to log into your account. So if you're not getting that code, the reason might be your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable enough internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi network, try switching over to data. And if you are on mobile data, turn it off and try switching over to Wi-Fi. Sometimes you can also turn on the airplane mode to refresh your connections. So keep it turned on for a few seconds, turn it off after 5 or 10 seconds, and you should get your service back. Then you should receive your code once you request it again. If you're still facing the issue, you need to go ahead and long press on Telegram, tap on the I button. It will take you directly to the app info, and at the bottom right corner, you'll see the force stop option. Tap on it. So what it's going to do is it'll basically stop all of its background requests on Telegram, including the code that you've requested, and you can easily re-request the code again. Then you want to head over to storage, tap on clear cache at the bottom, and then finally what you can do is, if there are any defaults set in the app, go to set as default, and you can clear the defaults if there are any. Once that is done, the last step is to uninstall and reinstall Telegram, and you should be good to go. So just tap on uninstall, tap on OK, reinstall it from Google Play Store, and you should be able to log in after that. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next